Hello and welcome to Swedish Fika. My name is Daniel and today we're gonna make Kolasnittar or caramel cuts, which is one of the best standalone cookies that you can have together with coffee in my world. Ja, men då kör vi! The ingredients for the dough is wheat flour, butter, sugar, baking powder, and for added flavor we're gonna have vanilla sugar and two kinds of syrup, light and dark. And we will start by mixing the dry ingredients together first. Next up, we're gonna mix in the butter and the syrup in the dough. I'm using a 50-50 mix of light and dark syrup, and you can do it actually exactly however you want to. If you prefer to have only light syrup, you can do that. And if you want to go with dark syrup only, that's completely fine as well. Now, let's mix all of this with our hands to a soft and pliable dough. So there, yeah. Now it's time to shape the dough into a roll that we put into the fridge 20 minutes to cool down. And at the same time, we will preheat the oven to 200 degrees Celsius, which is 400 degrees Fahrenheit. Next up, it's time to make thinner rolls out of the dough, and I will finish off by tapping it gently to flatten it out a little bit before baking in the oven. There we go. And now it's time to bake the Kolasnittar about 15 minutes in the oven until they're golden brown. Okay, now they're in the oven baking, and the caramel cuts are actually one of the few cookies that you bake in the lower part of the oven. As soon as they come out after about 15 minutes, we will cut them in 2 centimeter strips, which is just below 1 inch. Då är vi färdiga. There we go. Traditional Swedish Kolasnittar. And I really wish that you were here because the aroma is fantastic. I will definitely help myself to at least a nibble of one of these. Thank you so much for watching today, and I hope that I'll see you in the next one. Take care. Himmel så gott. Mm.